Let's talk about investment. The winds of change are blowing and global investors are becoming more selective, more risk-averse. What are African governments doing to remain attractive?
Well, I think countries ought to make sure that they have a competitive investment climate. I think we need to look beyond tax incentives and look more at providing competitiveness in the context of how do we invest in the service sector, for example, that can then become competitive in attracting investments in the commodity sector. In other words, if a country has competitive supply chain, I think investors will be more interested in investing in that country. It reduces the cost of the mining development. As you know, mining is a highly intensive, has inputs, capital and other services. And I think increasingly mining companies would have to depend on local procurement and local services rather than importing all their inputs. I think beyond the tax incentives, which has traditionally been the advice that African governments have received, now countries are looking at diversifying, improving the environment, that means the service sector, and future supply chains that can help mining companies to be globally competitive.